it's small form factor time. Alright, for today's video guys, we'll do unboxing of a very rare case from the manufacturer SFF. By the way, I'm Ping Ping. I do a tech video, cybersecurity videos, and small form factor videos. So we will do unboxing of this video, and the big deal about this case is this is always sold out. So it's a one time, big time. Just get it when you have a chance, all right? So we'll do unboxing of this rare case right now. Let's go. Guys, we'll do unboxing now. And the big deal is that it is always sold out. Right now, if you go to the website of SSF, all variants are sold out. How will we do unbox? So buy it when you get a chance, kind of thing, okay? And we're lucky to pick this a few months ago, and the price is not so expensive yet, no tariff, stuff like that. So as for information of everybody, the price of this case is $189. Shipping fee is $56, and no tariffs was charged when we ordered the case. So the total price that we paid was $245. Shipping time from order completed to our front door in the USA was about 10 days. So not very bad, because this case was from Croatia, right? Croatia. I don't even know where is Croatia. We should Google Croatia. 1 second. Let's go and Google Croatia. Guys, we have to Google Croatia because I don't even know where is Croatia. So let's see. Croatia, where are you? Ta-da! Oh, here you go. This is Croatia. So it's near Italy. We have to ride a boat to go to Croatia. That sounds fun. All right, let's search what are the things. Most beautiful things in Croatia, and then we'll put it in our bucket list. Most beautiful, how to spell beautiful, things in Croatia. Oh my God, AI will help us. Croatia, I'm so dumb. Oh, what is this? No, old quick. No guys, that's not it. Let's see. Let's search most beautiful place in Croatia. AI is working. There are ultimately 33 most beautiful things in Croatia. That's a lot. We only need one. Oh, this waterfall seems pretty. Let's see. Okay, this one. Let's see. Where is it? Croatia National Park. I think there is another one that is a pretty. It's like a lake. Let's see. Nice. This one. We want this. That is. How do you pronounce that one? Oh. Pletvitzer. How do you say that? Is that correct? Pletvitzer. Okay, guys. We'll put that in our bucket list and we will go to Croatia. But, okay, let's go back to our regular programming. So many postal mail. Again, guys, this case is from SFFTime. All right. And the name of the case is U-ITX. Again, the name of the case is U-ITX Black. Ta-da! Look at that. The color is black and U-ITX. Oh my gosh. All right, so let's see. You have to be careful. Whoa, we have to be careful because we have everything here that we need. And our case has a Gen 4 riser cable, but when you order, you can choose between Gen 3 or Gen 4 if there is an option. But sometimes there is no cable available for the riser. So you can always get the cable in, you know, Amazon or other shop. So here we go. We have to be careful. Here's the case. And then we have the Gen 4 riser cable. And we have other things. The cords, the other parts of the case, the screw. So that's it, guys. Here you go. All right. And in SFFTime's website, if you check right now, it is sold out. But just keep looking or just keep checking every now and then. There's more here. This is still part of the case. And that's it. Let's remove this from the box piece by piece. But look at that. SFFTime U-ITX. Let's go. I don't know what is this for. Maybe for the side. Oh, look. There's very important part. You see that? All right, next. We have to be careful. All right. Okay. SFFTime U-ITX. All right, I think this is a power cord extension. Right. And this one is, what is this? I have to figure out all of these parts, guys. Then I will assemble it, you know. We'll throw that. We don't need that. All right, real quick. Here's the instruction. We have step 1 to step 5. We'll follow that. And the final look of everything we got inside the box. This. Then. Done. This, I don't know what is this. I have to figure that out too. And then we have the important part for the cords for your GPU. This is Gen 4. All the screws we have. And the side of the casing. So pretty. And another side of the casing, back to back. All right, side by side. And we have this important part. I don't know what is that. And then this one. So there you go. All right, this is all the parts of the case inside the box. I have to figure out all of it, and then I will do assemble, and keep an eye on my next video when I assemble it and turn it into a real case. Oh, all right, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.